Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country. Now we're at Brimmers Western Rise in Woolacombe. It's a delightful 3-bedroom detached family home situated in a great location, tucked away yet still close to the fantastic amenities that Woolacombe has to offer, including this magnificent 2.5 miles of golden sand surfing beaches. Now the accommodation is great for the family market. There's a large lounge leading into a fantastic sun lounge with direct views down the valley towards the sea and the coastline. There's a lovely big kitchen breakfast room as well. There's a ground floor bedroom and toilet, and then upstairs we've got 2 large bedrooms. One of them's got an ensuite, and there's a family bathroom as well. So here we are, we're outside now, and Brimmers sits on a very generous sized sunny elevated plot, and from the gardens there are the lovely views down the valley towards the sea and the coastline as well. Now at the front of the property we've got this driveway which you can park 2 to 3 cars on, and it leads to the good sized attached garage. There's also a fantastic sun terrace at the front which leads off of the conservatory and enjoys those wonderful views down over the valley. A great spot for an alfresco meal, a barbecue, or evening drinks watching these fabulous sunsets. Now around at the rear we've got this excellent sized garden laid mainly to lawn but beautifully manicured and looked after, and it backs on to open fields. So there we are, that is Brimmers Western Rise in Woolacombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this really is a fabulous property in a great location, and of course these magnificent views you see in behind me here. So to come and view this one physically, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.